Apple. I like eating an apple every morning. Apple. I like eating an apple every morning. Banana. Monkeys love to eat bananas. Banana. Monkeys love to eat bananas. Orange. Orange juice is my favorite drink. Orange juice is my favorite drink. Orange juice is my favorite drink. Mango. Mangoes are very delicious in the summer. Mango. Mangoes are very delicious in the summer. Pineapple. Pineapple pizza is a popular debate topic. Pineapple pizza is a popular debate topic. Watermelon. Watermelon is perfect for hot days. Watermelon. Watermelon is perfect for hot days. Strawberry. Strawberries taste great with cream. Strawberry. Strawberries taste great with cream. Blueberry. Blueberries are rich in vitamins. Blueberry. Blueberries are rich in vitamins. Cherry. Cherries are my favorite fruit. Cherry. Cherries are my favorite fruit. Grapes. I love eating grapes as a snack. Grapes. I love eating grapes as a snack. Peach. Peaches are great for making jam. Pear. Peach. Peaches are great for making jam. Pear. Pears are delicious and juicy. Pear. Pears are delicious and juicy. Lemon. Lemon juice is very sour. Lemon. Lemon juice is very sour. Lime. Lime adds a fresh taste to drinks. Lime. Lime adds a fresh taste to drinks. Kiwi. Kiwi is full of vitamin C. Kiwi. Kiwi is full of vitamin C. Papaya. Papayas are sweet and soft. Papaya. Papayas are sweet and soft. Coconut. Coconut water is very refreshing. Coconut. Coconut water is very refreshing. Avocado. Avocados are great for making salads. Avocado. Avocados are great for making salads. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is bright and colorful. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is bright and colorful. Pomegranate. Pomegranates have many small seeds inside. Pomegranate. Pomegranates have many small seeds inside. Fig. Figs are often dried and eaten as snacks. Fig. Figs are often dried and eaten as snacks. Guava. Guavas are rich in vitamin C and fiber. Guava. Guavas are rich in vitamin C and fiber. Melon. Melons are juicy and refreshing. Melon. Melons are juicy and refreshing. Plum. Plums are small and sweet. Plum. Plums are small and sweet. Raspberry. Raspberries are used to make delicious jams. Raspberry. Raspberries are used to make delicious jams. Blackberry. Blackberries grow on thorny bushes. Blackberry. Blackberries grow on thorny bushes. Cranberry. Cranberry juice is very healthy. Cranberry. Cranberry juice is very healthy. Apricot. Apricots are soft and slightly tangy. Apricot. Apricots are soft and slightly tangy. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupes have orange, juicy, fleshed cantaloupe. Cantaloupes have orange, juicy, fleshed. Date. Dates are naturally sweet and nutritious. Date. Dates are naturally sweet and nutritious. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is the largest tree fruit in the world. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is the largest tree fruit in the world. Passion fruit. Passion fruit has a strong, tropical taste. Passion fruit. Passion fruit has a strong, tropical taste. Star fruit. Star fruit is shaped like a star when sliced. Star fruit. Star fruit is shaped like a star when sliced. Lychee. Lychees have a sweet, floral flavor. Lychee. Lychees have a sweet, floral flavor. Persimmon. Persimmons are best eaten when fully ripe. Persimmon. Persimmons are best eaten when fully ripe. Tamarind. Tamarind is both sweet and sour. Tamarind. Tamarind is both sweet and sour. Mulberry. Mulberries grow on trees and are very sweet. Mulberry. Mulberries grow on trees and are very sweet.
What fruit is this?
Apple. Apple.
What fruit is this?
Banana. Banana.
What fruit is this?
Persimmon. Persimmon.
What fruit is this?
Orange. Orange.
What fruit is this?
Mango. Mango.
What fruit is this?
Pineapple. Pineapple.
What fruit is this?
Watermelon. Watermelon.
What fruit is this?
Strawberry. Strawberry.
What fruit is this?
Blueberry. Blueberry.
What fruit is this?
Cherry. Cherry.
What fruit is this?
Grapes. Grapes.
What fruit is this?
Tamarind. Tamarind.
What fruit is this?
Peach. Peach.
What fruit is this?
Mulberry. Mulberry.
What fruit is this?
Pear. Pear.
What fruit is this?
Lemon. Lemon.
What fruit is this?
Guava. Guava.
What fruit is this?
Lime. Lime.
What fruit is this?
Papaya. Papaya.
What fruit is this?
Lychee. Lychee.
What fruit is this?
Kiwi. Kiwi.
What fruit is this?
Avocado. Avocado.
What fruit is this?
Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
What fruit is this?
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
What fruit is this?
Plum. Plum.
What fruit is this?
Raspberry. Raspberry.
What fruit is this?
Jackfruit. Jackfruit.
What fruit is this?
Passion fruit. Passion fruit.
What fruit is this?
Starfruit. Starfruit.